welcome back to Sunny Live Chain. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. Well, guys, I'm back again with Mzansi Soap Stories, and today I'm talking about Skeem Saam, guys. Many people are asking themselves, how will Meneer Magongwa's story unfold? Will he become the principal of Tef High? Hell no, guys. Yes, he worked very hard, but mouthing to Bahale, who is now a Sipedi teacher, and still Alfred is not giving her a rest. Well, this is what will happen, guys. Alfred's nerves are getting the better of him, and his mind starts racing when he finds out that Meneer Manaka has been made temporarily principal, and that Evelyn has been sent an email from the school district, and he seemingly left in the cold. At first, guys, Alfred is worried because he doesn't get the email from the district approving him to run for the position. It does come, but not before he has stressed a bit. There is another legal issue that the Wanable principal needs to deal with. His reference needs to come from his superior for the position, aka Principal Tobahale. She's holding the fate of his future in her hands, and given the fact that they don't get along, it's obvious that she's not going to give him a glowing reference. She doesn't want to see him take her place, and Alfred is instantly furious about it. What no one can expect, though, is that Alfred is going to sabotage his own chances. The interview starts well, but soon his temper flares and he loses his temper. While Alfred and the other two candidates will need to wait for the outcome, Alfred's attitude might have ended his dreams already. Well, guys, life is teaching Alfred some lesson or some life lessons, guys. Ngesizulu kuthiwa ungasinyeli ihlahla kanti kusasa uzofisa ukuhlala kuso uphumule uthamela umthunzi. Now he wants a reference, and the only person to do that is the one and only Principal Tobahale, who will never speak well about Alfred. It's clear that Alfred won't get a post, guys. They will even take the one for deputy he's holding. It's either Evelyn is a principal and Meneer Manaka is a deputy, or vice versa. September TSS reads as follows. Alfred has found another mountain to climb, and it's in the staff room. So, guys, I'm convinced that he's going back to share the staff room with the rest of the teachers, including Mem Tobahale. That brings us to the end of this video. Do leave your comment below and share your opinion.